Good old tree on fire. After the big old storm. That's crazy. Oh, there's a couple of them on fire. Yeah. Oh, the whole forest is on fire. Oh, shit. Dang, the island ain't on fire. Wow, that's kind of crazy. Might want to back up here. Actually, I need that work. Where was he? What was that horse? Even here. I don't remember where he's at. Oh, that's gonna burn everything. Pretty cool. Doubt I can go put it out, but anybody got some marshmallows? Pretty cool. Whoa. Oh, that one's caught on fire. What's up?
Hola. I love what you're doing with the place.
Yeah. It's burning over there too. This was a lightning storm.
Lightning did this?
Yeah.
Wow, look at the heat, like the waviness and the...
Oh, you got charcoal.
Huh.
I always wondered. Oh, there's a titanium thing. Yeah, I always wondered if you could catch the forest on fire, but there you go.
Well, I guess that answers that.
Yep.
Well, I guess we can fuel our water filter over there.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, would you look at that?